Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better Chicken McDo. Amin to, Chicken McDo. Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better Chicken McDo. Amin to, Chicken McDo. Much malaki, bigger and
Oh,
better
excited na ako marinig to sa mga McDonald's na kakainan natin.
The budget is giving, the set is giving, the concept is giving, the production is giving, of course, the endorser is giving.
Natuwa lang ako kasi kumbaga nakakita naman na tayo ng mga commercials na ni-rush. Parang eto kasi evidently kitang-kita mo talaga yung na pinaghirapan na pinag-isipan yung set. Kumbaga, this is not just McDo promoting McDo. Kumbaga, this is also McDo being involved.
So for McDo to incorporate 18 as if buong masa na yun, means
Pero
means naniniwala ang McDo na mass yung appeal ng SB19.